Hello. Today we are going to show you how to change the inner tube on your rocker BMX. The tools we are going to use today are as follows: 19mm spanner, a 17mm spanner, a 13mm socket and a 6mm Allen key. The first step, using the 19mm spanner, we are going to loosen and remove the front wheel. Here you have your rocker wheel. Remove the dust cap from the valve and let out all the air from the tube, unless you already have a puncture, of course. We are going to use the 6mm Allen key and the 13mm socket to undo the 4 bolts holding the rim together. After the 4 bolts have been taken out, the rim and hub should easily separate, leaving just the tyre with the tube inside. You can now remove the old inner tube and insert the new one. With the new tube fitted inside the tyre, we are now going to piece back together the rim and hub. Make sure the inner tube valve is through the correct hole and then line up the 4 holes for the bolts. Start reinserting the rim bolts, but do not tighten just yet. You always want to tighten the 2 bolts either side of the valve first, then proceed to tighten the other 2. Now you want to grab your pump and pump up the tyre to no more than 45 psi. If you find you have really bad tyre wobble after fitting a new tube, just follow these steps. First, make sure the tyre is flat. Loosen off all the bolts across the rim. Tighten the two either side of the valve. Now tighten the other two. You can also apply washing up liquid mixed with water around the rim to help the tyre sit better when inflating. Using the pump, inflate your tyre. Finally, using the 19mm spanner, secure your wheel back on your bike. So there we have it, a how-to guide on how to fit a new inner tube to your Rocker BMX. Check back for more how-tos on www.rockerbmx.com.